Meet the brand new CANiK TTI Combat. A sub $1,000 Taran tactical collaboration build. Coming into 2024, I was not expecting this partnership. However, I fully welcome it after seeing all the premium features included at a reasonable rate. From the factory, the TTI Combat comes fully loaded with features you'd expect from a top-tier firearm: an optic-ready slide, a precision-engineered diamond-cut trigger, and an aggressive grip texture for maximum control. With a capacity of 18 plus 1 rounds and a full-sized frame constructed from durable synthetic material, this pistol is built to handle anything you throw at it. And at just 29.5 ounces, it strikes a great balance between controllability and mobility. But here's where it gets even better. The TTI Combat comes with everything you need right out of the box: optic plates for various red dots, a custom holster, and a rugged hard travel case. No need to buy extra accessories separately. Let's talk about that compensator. CANiK's first ever compensator is a step in the right direction. While not as effective as some larger pistol brakes currently available, it still effectively reduces recoil. Plus, its slim design seamlessly integrates with the slide for a look that's sleek. Speaking of the slide, it's not just about looks. Those aggressive serrations provide a reliable grip, while the optic cut allows you to mount your favorite red dot for precision shooting. The grip's aggressive texture ensures your hands stay put even in the heat of the moment. And with the included aluminum mag well, reloading is quick and smooth, giving you an edge when every second counts. Now let's talk about the heart of any firearm: the trigger. The TTI Combat's diamond cut trigger is great. It has a smooth take-up and a crisp break that really allows you to make tight groups. This dramatically helps with precision, and I was able to achieve groups as tight as a 1/4 inch at 10 yards. It's clear this pistol delivers on its promise of accuracy and consistency. Throughout testing, the TTI Combat proved its reliability and fun factor. Whether you're engaging targets up close or taking precision shots from a distance, this pistol handles it all with ease. I spent some time shooting around a VTAC board, and the compensator and aggressive grip texture definitely proved a noticeable advantage. I also like to push most full-sized handguns out to 100 yards to see how shootable they really are. Starting at 10 yards, I would shoot a steel silhouette and then move back another 10 yards until I got to 100. Due to the crisp break of the diamond trigger, I had no trouble getting consistent hits from 100 yards. With an MSRP starting at $949, the TTI Combat provides a lot of features straight from the factory. For those interested in a more detailed analysis and comprehensive review, you can find the in-depth article on the CANiK TTI Combat at GunsAmerica Digest.